Well, hello in there. Yeah, I'm back here. Woohoo! I have, oh my goodness, look at all these boxes and they go way down. Okay, so I've been gone for a little while. I haven't been on. And I'm going to change the gears a little bit on this channel. This is going to become a giveaway channel. In other words, all the stuff that's in these boxes is something, every single one of them, I am going to give something from each one away to someone in each video. Someone's going to win something good from each of these boxes in every video. So this is basically going to become my giveaway channel, and instead of me down here hosting it, I am going to introduce you to a pal of mine. Here he comes. Oh, he can squeeze through. Yup. Oh, there he is. Say hello. 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 I'm Harry the horse. This is Harry the horse. You already said that. Okay, fine. I'm Harry the horse. And I'm going to be doing stupid stuff, but I'm going to be giving stuff away. And if you don't like me, well, on you. So, Mom says that I can pick a box and pick stuff up. My little TV's here. See my little TV's? Oh. I can pick stuff up. And we will be choosing a winner together. Okay? Okay. Oh, my first thing that I'm going to pick out is that up there. On the top. Not a box, but a bag. A bag. Yeah, I'm gonna... Yeah. I'm gonna knock these boxes down if I keep doing this. What do you think? Huh? Mom? Help. Help. Excuse me. Okay. Oh. Hello. I'm back. Okay. This is the bag that I'm going to be opening. It's an IPSY bag. IPSY. Okay. Kinda hard to open with just my mouth. Okay. What? Okay. Mommy says, what? 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 Don't tell. Okay. Mommy says that I can't tell you what's inside. I was going to tell you what's inside. I think she's a mind reader. She's going to have to open it. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I have stuff down here. You can't see it because the camera's kind of stable. Just like me, I'm in a stable. Get it? Get it? Anyway, there's stuff here, and I'm going to show you what it is. Look. Look at this. Hold on, I can't see what it is. Okay, hold on. It says
Okay. Exfoliation stuff. Check it out. Uh-oh. Ah. This is good. Is that something anybody wants? For free? Well, if you do, maybe you'll win it. Okay, next thing that we have here. Brushes. We got brushes. See that? Brushes. Oh, cool. There's a card here. I can't read. I'm a horse. So, well, Mom's gonna look at it. Horoscopes. It doesn't say what's in the boxes, but we got something here that Mom says that you will want and like very, very much. I don't know why. This is something that you'll like very much. It's a palette of some sort. See? It's a palette. Mom says you like palettes. So maybe we'll give this palette away. Let's see what it is. Okay, hold on. Hold on. It's Glam Light S'mores. That's what it is. See, this is what it looks like. See, it's in plastic. Oh no. It's in plastic. So I can't. Mom says I can't open it. Because if I open it, it won't be, it'll look like it was used or something. I don't know. I don't know. So, okay, next product. Honey Bomb and Time Human Lips. Not horsey lips. Human lips. See? You want that? We'll see. Mom will choose what, hold on. What? Mom says that she will choose a winner at the end of the video. After about, I don't know. I don't know how much time. But she said she will choose a winner from someone who subscribed to this channel. You guys subscribe. Subscribe to this channel. Yep. This channel, and then Mom will choose a winner. And she will put it in the comments. So you must be subscribed and you must keep a track of your comments. Makes sense? See? Subscribe. Right there. Subscribe. It's right there. See, that's a friend of mine up there. He's a horse too. He's a horse. But I can move better. He sings. And he dances. Okay, that's it for today. Just wanted to introduce myself. and say, have a happy day. Have a happy day. Happy, happy horsey horse. Have a happy day. And don't forget, subscribe and you might win.